Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your phone actually supports the 5G bands your carrier uses. This avoids dropped connections later. Once done, enable mobile data, location, and grant only way the permissions it requests so the app can detect 5G cells. Next, open only way and sign in with your account. Follow carrier provisioning prompts if shown. You're starting the live connection process now, not just installing. That immediate step lets the app map and test real 5G connectivity. After signing in, you configure only way for accurate testing. Choose 5G mode and a performance profile that matches your goals, such as low latency or high throughput, because that directs what metrics the app prioritizes. Then run the built-in signal, throughput, and latency tests and save those baselines so you can compare changes. Make sure logging and background monitoring are enabled. This lets the app track handovers and roaming events while you move, which is essential for diagnosing intermittent issues. To finish, you review test results and export a report if you need to share data with your carrier or team. Reports show why speeds vary. If readings are poor, reposition the device, change orientation, or switch network preferences to force new cell selection and then retest. If problems persist, a quick troubleshooting step is toggling airplane mode to reset radio state and reprovision the SIM. If that fails, gather logs and contact carrier support with the exported diagnostics for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.